Did you get out of there?
Mm-hmm. It got out. Hey, that's not a
Caleb,
small
what about this
one
one right here?
That one's a big one.
What about right there?
Whoa! There's another rock. I can't get out.
You gotta dig it out.
You have to dig it out.
Come on. Mommy! There's another rock to dig out. Oh, I can't get it out though.
Yeah, keep digging around it.
Don't worry.
Yeah, use the stick. Use the stick and keep digging it out.
Uh-huh. I got this stick.
Where's another stick? Caleb, see if you can find another stick.
Where's the rock we did? There we go. Oh man, it breaks. We're almost out. It's coming. Yeah. It's stuck. It's stuck. Come on. Come on. Hey little, let it come out. Look at this. This stick will come out. Look, comes out. I got
Yay! All right, Caleb, go over with him and drop it in this.
it.
Go over with him so you can drop it down.
I found it.
Now you gotta see if it can drop down. Yeah, let's see if it can drop down.
Down.
All right, let's count down.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Yay!
Yay!
Okay, listen, Zachary, it's time for us to go.
Bye.